Alright, real quickly, I'm going to go over wiring up these switches. In my case, I have a rigid light bar with backlighting, and I bought the wiring harness from them. It comes with two little switches, but they're not really that great. So, every one of these switches, you're going to have the top is both negative. And then right here is where you want your positive, and then your light or whatever accessory it is going to be on the bottom here, and that's going to give you the lighting too, if you get all that, the backlighting. So that one's for the light bar, then I have this one for the grill. Both of those are negative. You can plug this top one in the either or, positive in the middle, and then your accessory, power. Also, referring to the rigid light bar, this wiring's pretty straightforward. I just did this temporarily to make sure it works, and I'm going to solder these after. It does come with these 3 crimp connectors. I don't really like these too well, but so I'm going to solder those up later. And then these, they actually came from Rigid with smaller connectors on it, so I just cut those off and put these bigger ones on, so it can fit these switches.